In Prospect Heights, the mountains look close enough to touch, and as soon as you step outside, you are steps from nature's playground, surrounded by magnificent mountain peaks and very close to the Bow River. It's rare to find locations of this caliber in Canmore. We've got almost 22,000 square feet of lot space. We're located at the top of the private cul-de-sac in the enclave of Prospect Heights. This home has a triple car garage, which is again super rare to find in Canmore, and being on 22,000 square feet, you have incredible privacy. As soon as you walk into this bespoke custom home, the ground foyer just takes your breath away. We've got an 8-foot front door, we've got cathedral ceilings with open tread staircase, and then these amazing floor-to-ceiling windows on both levels that showcase those premium mountain views. We're going to start by showcasing this home on the upper level, and you can either access this home from the staircase of the main foyer or from the elevator, and either way you come up to this main level, those mountain views are going to take your breath away. We've got over 4,100 square feet in this house, 2 levels, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Let me show you some more of the special features of this home, as well as those incredible mountain views. The open plan main living space has these vaulted ceilings. We've got the wall of windows that shows those mountain views off to the east, and the feature Rundle Rock gas fireplace wall brings those mountains into your main living space. This home was built for entertaining, as you can tell by the kitchen. It's huge. We've got lots of counter space and cabinets. It really is a chef's dream. And directly off the kitchen, just off to my left, is this magnificent private dining space with a bank of windows that brings nature inside. If those mountain views get too much for you, you've got this beautiful private patio in the back of the home. It backs onto that forested area, and your land actually goes way back into those trees. So this is a really private space for you to hang out. The large front deck can be accessed either from your living room or from your primary bedroom, and those views just take your breath away as soon as you step outside. Off that main living space, you've got this private owner's wing. We've got in-floor heat throughout this part of the house. And then you've got your primary bedroom with ensuite, your executive office or second bedroom, and the laundry room. The entry level has this second large wing of the home as well that we haven't even explored yet. It's got this amazing bank of windows that you can still see all those mountain views from. With the built-in bar just behind me, this level is perfect for entertaining, whether that's a large family room or you have some foosball on a pool table. Everything will fit in this wing of the home. So the final wing of this house is through that entertainment room and gives you some really good separation from friends and family from the upper level. Down here in this wing, we have the remaining 3 bedrooms, another full bathroom, and some great storage closets. As always, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this home or any other home in Canmore, my contact information is just below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. We have some great videos coming for you in the next few weeks.